Hello guys, so today we have another van and the oil coolers on this. It's a Mercedes Sprinter, and so basically, as you can see now, it's located on, based on what model, but on the right hand side of the engine. It's based in between, a bit quite inside, and you have to remove a lot of parts including the free pulley and the AC pump in case your Sprinter has AC. And for this one, the oil cooler actually started leaking into the coolant system, and there was oil in the coolant tank. Here's the broken oil cooler, and actually this broken oil cooler caused the oil to mix with the coolant, and actually on the engine block as well, the oil leaks because of the little metal that's shaved off from the connection point. So thanks for watching the video guys, and please support the channel and comment down below what type of videos you want to watch in the future, and I might do a car slander video, you never know.